Odofo me ma kwaba edeba Adom TV. Dwumadi we eye dwumadi ato ne dini Nkuranhyensem mre so. Me a wani to a wo hwe me ediam ni so eye ni tekotego 1. Ewiase nyina me pe na efre me sa ni tekotego. Na mpacho betima ba odini anka mete onka. Me da se. Na me bom pa ese dwumadi a wodie bia na dai. Ebewie peyo na abrabo anamuntuo edi asumdwe ne nkoso abrewo. What is wrong with me? It also means that I'm double. Tell me also say, "Hey, now then I'm abra say, na me ko say you. What is wrong with my circumstance?" Ghana akwa ita be say, "What is wrong with Ghana?" Your penny for say, "What is wrong with our leaders?" Also should be say, "What is wrong with you?" Okay? For you to change your life circumstances, there's one important thing as a winner. Plan. One will say, "Ube si dan ya, me si ne baba no kura paper be say." Na edan no hyehyɛ eguso ye friend plan and obetu foundation no to amna. The building is built based on a plan. So this is your life. You are building a life for your future. This is your marriage. This is your business and your health. Have a plan how you want to make it look like. Plan na be kire kwa be fa so am abrabo agina abrabo mu plan na be hyehyɛ no. And then how you want to spend your time each day should be part of the plan. Kwambe so na ode umre ebe nneoma amo abrabo. Emre sen na ode mo abrabo apomodne wawade ne wadwuma wo ye. Wade sua. Set a plan on what time you have to spend with you, with friends, with your spouse, with your business and with your health. Don't just live anyhow. It's your life. It's your life. Obi show. Obi intimi control. One kasa na ukra brabo. Una ukra wade, una ukra wadwuma wo ye, una ukra pomodne. Se open hyehyɛ at the 200 day. Become aware of the truth about where you are today. Hina do abrabo akodru ne. What have you been doing so far? Enema ben na wo ye besi semre. What needs to change? And what do you need to embrace to ensure the change and improvement you desire? Onipa bia wa brabo boy say bibia no mpuntuo bem. Say sakraibo bem. Say wa de usika sem say na da say edasi wonne. Empo sa ankoyi a mempa ba. Ankoyi a mensu. Shinkete na ka che on say ankoyi no. Kwambe so na mefa asesane mamu. No one is forcing you to do anything that you don't want to do. Obi ntimi shaw say na mama ho a pese obeye. Simple and there ne nda da ba. Say ojira ka say asem we amati. Dia me hunu ne kwa so no. Say edi minya. Ana say ehema nkranhye na ekenya me. No one will force you to live the life you are living. Nyoma wotie no ebi entro a enyi ntum. No one is making you go where you are going and do the kind of job you are doing. One akopɛ adwuma wo ye. Enti adwuma na nya. Bibi sequence obepa ade asua ka ho. Na so every position wo na akɔ anim. Ene mpo se obeja adwuma no so adwuma ni ho. Beja ade na medie wo na aka saa. Adwena wadwen no. You have the choice to live the life you want to live and to become the person you want to become. Your life is your responsibility. Your life is what you make it yourself. Your life is not dependent on your mother and father, your husband or wife, your boss or others with you. Your life is what you make it. Wabrabo, wapomudne, wajuma, usikasem, wawadie, wona wope, sede beba na baba no. It is how you spend your time and your energies that will determine how your life results will become. Kwanya wodi omre efa so ye nioma ni empo wadwene mu ahoodne eno ni padua mu ahoodne osunsun ahoodne a wode ye no eno ne. Many of us seem to live as if we don't have a choice. Obo ha na me ase bibia no de akire ena enkoyie ena debi minua. Me enkoyie ma wa me de bi ekoyie ma me. bia na bibi na ato sin kakra bi abrabo mu men hwe se enkoye in general ehifa na enkoye ehifa ene enkoye ede na betimi ayoma na akoye adesua be na betimi asuama na akoye ensem be na betimi aka kire me ho wan ho na mekwa je futuo afire ene empo emwa afire na akoye. I don't wish to be like others. I don't wish to be like others. I want to be the best of me. Me pese me yeso obi. Me pese me ye me a me dimu. I don't wish to be like others. I want to be the best of me. How do I take steps to become my best self? And I'm on tio ben na metio. And ye ben na meye. Ebi wose me nyanka Ghana America. Ghana ntimi America. America baby want to say me winter na ho. Also, you are a boy, so Ghana can never be like America. What do we do as Ghanaians to make our circumstances better? Even far more than the Americans. It's possible we can make it. So I don't wish to be like somebody. I wish to be the best of me. Catch your home. I don't wish to be somebody's wife or husband. I don't wish to be somebody's son or daughter. I wish to be the best of myself. Meaning, some of us are even ashamed of our lives. Baby, sure na braba no ofere. Said I would say piano. That is the choice you've made so far. Don't be trapped in the life you are living so far. Men kwese asuma fidie na fidie na nya wo. Eye bibi na da beduru ha suban bi ne ye bi ne adwene bi. Eye nema bi a yo ya anya ma wo. Na do bedo anya fidie ne asom wo. Se fidie yi wo a wawu. Ti we fidie nyiwu. Suban no a do beduru ha no esi wana monstuo kwan. Ene ensi empoda so kwan. Wherever you are is not a limitation to the dream to become better. Whatever you have become today does not stop you from moving out of your comfort zone. You can become your best self. I can make it better. I can make my marriage better. I can make my health better. Fine. I can make my business outcomes become better. I can. Very often we choose to focus on the broken down parts of our lives. Yana brebe enko ye no. Ne ma tete apansam no. Na jaisa. Sa tete apansam a ede na ma ne ba sa. Take the mess in your life and turn it into a message of greatness. Take the mess in your marriage. Take the mess in your health and turn it into a message of greatness. Ni atete apansam abra bobiano fa hwenidi na hye mrama ho se efi na da koi se suban we na me da na dia ba ya menye biom ade we na manyo amehya ase aye kwan we na me fa so dwene ye wa wonim nioma edo abedum pempenso a waduru nyabotre and get rid of the habits and the people that are keeping you from living your great life. Suban bi wo ho ene bi wo ho anamontuo bi wo ho se wo sinkete na ka kire ho se mia na medu mi ho abeduru ha ma brabo me na me abrabo mo driver. I am my life's manager. I cannot fire myself. I can only train myself to become better for a good future and a better future. Untimi nkoku ho wa adwene wo untimi nkoyi replace. All you can do is to replace the thoughts, the emotions and the attitudes and beliefs in your mind, and your life will change for the better. Abusuya na wo ye bia na be yi wa brabo be koyi wate wadwuma be koyi ware be koyi wosika sem be koyi wa pomodin be koyi se wotimi ye nioma bia se wo ye obi aye bi da hwehunu ene subampa ene be boa wo hwehunu ahobrase ene suban be boa wo onyame enya onyansan be bubura na dai onyame enya osuban be bubura na empo ne je adware wo aha ana meja wo edin yam je so unim dada ni tekotego mama me na empo se nkrofo yase sound osmosis na empo bright na me na camera Alberto ana Albertase na me na me producer Randolph president de me hu na che na Welbeck Kampedu me da mu nyina ase onyame enke ho wo chanso ebehia makrao